Welcome back to the audience. We'll now present to you a few renowned stories that will be told to you through dance. The first performance is on Yentaro Mahanu Bhavulu, a Pancharatna Kirtanam which hails the great persons of this world. Yentaro means so many, and Mahanu Bhavulu is great people. This song was composed by Tyagaraja after an encounter with Govind Marar, a highly skilled musician from Travancore. When Govind Marar visited Tyagaraja in his house, he found him sitting on a stone platform outside the house. Marar respectfully bowed to the great master and sought the privilege of listening to Tyagaraja's celestial music. But Tyagaraja would never sing for the pleasure of strangers. Understanding that Tyagaraja wouldn't sing, one of Marar's devotees requested Tyagaraj if he would at least listen to his master Marar sing. Tyagaraj agreed to it, albeit condescendingly. Govind Marar sang with his heart and soul, moving from raga to raga, overwhelming the audience with his singing. The performance conjured images of mighty musicians and artists in Tyagaraj's mind. That very moment, the words of the renowned song, Yentaro Mahanu Bhavulu, flowed from his lips. The song was a dedication to all the great maestros and performers. In this poem, Tyagaraja describes the greatness of devotees through the ages. Yentaro Mahanu Bhavulu will be sung in Ragam Shri and Talam Adi.
ಎಂದರೋ ಎಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ సని ని సని ప ని సరి గరి రి గరి రి గరి రి గరి రి స గరి రి సని ఇందరో మ అను సా మ సి జనా మన్య ధన్యము ఇందరో మ రే గరి రి గరి రి సని స సరి స సరి సని గరి సరి గరి రి సని ఇంతరో మానస వన చరవర సంచార ముని విమోహిని ఇంతరో పమని రే పమని ప పమని ని ప ని పమ ప పమని రే గరి రి సని ఎంతరో అను సరగుణ పాదములకు శాంతమను సరోజమును సమర్పణము సేయువ ఎంతరో సని ప మ ప ని సని గరి సని మ ప సని స ని ప మ రి మ ప ని ప సని ప ని సని ప గరి సని ప మ రి గరి సని ఎంతరో పరుడని పరాపరుని గురించి పరమార్థమగు నిజమార్గముతో నుపాడుచును సల్ల పముతో స్వరలయ తిరాగమును తెలియువ ఎంతరో సని పని సరి రి గరి సరి మ ప ని సరి రి మ ప ని మ ప ని సరి గరి రి స సని మ ప మ ని గరి రి సని ఇంతరో హరి గుణ మణిమయ సరములు గలములు శోభిల్లు భద్రకోటిలలో చెలిమితో చెలిమితో కరుణగల్గు జగమల్లను సుధ దృష్టి సపని మపని రే మపని పమది రే గరి సని పని సరి మరి మపని సరి గరి సని పసని పమది పమ పది గరి సని ముయలు మీర నరములగు సరసుని సదా కరుణచు చుచున పురిత శరీరులయ్యా పయోధిని మగ్నులై ముదం గుణను యశము గలబరుందరో మపని మపని రే మపని పమది రే కరి సని పమని స ని పని సరి కరి సరి మపని పని మపని గరి సరి మ ప మ ప ని పని మ పరే మ పని మ పని సరి గరి సని ప మ పని ని స ని గరి సని సరి స సని ప మ పని పని ప మ ని ప స ని ప మ ని గరి సని ఇంతరో పరమ భాగవతము నిపద శశి విభాగర సనక సనందన దిగేశ సురకిం పురుష కనక కశిపు సుత నారదకిం సులు కమల పమ సుఖము సదానుభవము వరింతరో రిమ పరి మరి మ బరి గరి రే గరి సని పని స ప రి గరి స పమ రే మ పని రి మ పని స రి మ పని స ని స ని స రి 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 గరి రి గరి రి గరి రి గరి స రి స ని స ని పని స రి గరి రి స స ని పమ రి రి మ పని స రి పమ రి గరి స ని స రి స ని నింతరో నేను నామ వైభవం బులనుని పరాక్రమ ధైర్యముల శాంత మానసముని కులను వచన సత్యమును రఘువరని ఎడ సద్భక్తియు జనిం జగను దుర్మదములను కల్ల చేసి నేటి నీ మడి నేటికి సంతరం పునను గుణ భజనానందరి తనము సేవ సరి పని పని సరి గరి సని సరి మ పని మ పమరి ప పమరి ని పమ సని పని సని ప ప గరి రి గరి రి 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 గరి రి గరి రి రి స స ప ప రి రి గరి సని పని సరి స స స ప ప ప రి 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 గరి సని ఎంతరో రామాయణ గీతాది శృతి శాస్త్ర పురాణములన్ శివాది షణ్మనముల గూఢముల ముప్పది ముక్కోటి సురంతరంగముల భావ ముల నిరిగి భావరాలయాది సౌఖ్యము చిరాయువ కలిగి నిరవధి సుఖాత్ములై త్యాగరాజములై అవయంతరో
Our next dance recital showcases a playful quarrel between Radha and Krishna. Radha and Krishna have always been shown in an eternal love-bound journey. But in this recital, both are upset. This makes the entire village of Gokul upset. The whole atmosphere is that of melancholy. Animals of the village, who otherwise thrive in Radha and Krishna's love, also show their disappointment and distress. As the recital progresses, we witness a seeking of solution to this uncomfortable imbalance in the village. The poet asks if anyone knows who will break the silence first. In the end, the worldly balance is restored when Radha and Krishna become once again. Rusli Radha is in Sringara Padam and will be presented to you by Isha Patel.
रुसले गोकुळ सारे रुसली राधा रुसला माधव 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 रुसले गोकुळ रुसला माधव रुसले गोकुळ सारे कुंजवने लतिका हे रुसल्या कुंजवने लतिका हे रुसल्या तरुवर जणू अनुरागे तरुवर जणू अनुरागे रुसले गोकुळ सारे रुसले गोकुळ सारे किती काळ सा धरुनिया बोला किती काळ सा धरुनिया बोला रुसले गोकुळ सारे रुसले गोकुळ सारे किती काळ सा धरुनिया बोला किती काळ सा धरुनिया बोला रुसून बैसली मोहन राधा रुसून बैसली मोहन राधा कोणी वदावे आधीनकडे कोणी वदावे आधीनकडे रुसले गोकुळ सारे रुसले गोकुळ सारे रुसले गोकुळ सारे रुसले
Isha is currently pursuing her bachelor's in computer engineering. She has been trained rigorously in Bharatnatyam under the able guidance of her guru, Srimati Kalpana Balaji, for the last 10 years. Bharatnatyam has always captivated her interest. It has not only groomed her as a dancer, but has also raised her learning capabilities and enhanced her ability to think through situations. For her, Bharatnatyam has been beyond enthralling passion, which she would like to keep pursuing. She rightly believes that Bharatnatyam is her breathing space. Our next performance is a Annamacharya Kirtana, Nigama Nigamanta, a devotional song often sung in the praise of Lord Narayan, a form of Lord Vishnu. This song extols Lord Narayana as the master of the Vedas and the ultimate authority over the scriptures. The song begins with praise and adoration for Lord Narayana, highlighting his divine attributes, virtues, and cosmic powers. In this Kirtana, devotees express their spiritual aspirations and yearnings for divine guidance, protection, and liberation from the cycle of birth and death. The Kirtanam is in Ragam Hindolam and Talam Adi.
निगम निगमान्तवर्णित मनोहर रूप निगम निगमान्तवर्णित मनोहर रूप नगराज गरुड श्रीनारायण निगम निगमान्तवर्णित मनोहर रूप नगराज गरुड श्रीनारायण निगम निगमान्तवर्णित मनोहर रूप नगराज गरुड श्रीनारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण नारायण श्रीमन्नारायण दीपिंचु वैराग्य दिव्य सौख्यं रूपकर नन्नु नोडबरपुचु दीपिंचु वैराग्य दिव्य सौख्यं रूपकर नन्नु नोडबरपुचु पै पैनि संसार बंधमुलगटेवु ना पलुकु చెల్లునా నారాయణ పై పైని సంసార బంధములగట్టేవు నా పలుకు చెల్లునా నారాయణ నిగమ నిగమాంత వర్ణిత మనోహర రూప నిగరాజ ధరుడ శ్రీనారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ పడినాన చిత్త శాంతముసే లేకక నీవు బహులీల నన్ను చీకాకు పడినాన చిత్త శాంతముసే లేకక నీవు బహులీల నన్ను కాకు చేసెదవు బహుకర్మముల పడుపారు నా కొలది వారల నారాయణ కాకు చేసెదవు బహుకర్మముల పడుపారు నా కొలది వారల నారాయణ నిగమ నిగమాంత వర్ణిత మనోహర రూప నగరాజధరుడ శ్రీనారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ వివిధ నిర్బంధముల వెడల రోయక నన్ను వివిధ నిర్బంధముల వెడల రోయక నన్ను భవసాగరముల తడబడ చేతురా వివిధ నిర్బంధముల వెడల రోయక నన్ను భవసాగరముల తడబడ చేతురా దివిజేంద్ర వందే శ్రీ తిరువెంకటాద్రీశ దివిజేంద్ర వందే శ్రీ తిరువెంకటాద్రీశ నవనీత చోర శ్రీనారాయణ దివిజేంద్ర వందే శ్రీ తిరువెంకటాద్రీశ నవనీత చోర శ్రీనారాయణ నిగమ నిగమాంత పరిణిత మనోహర రూప నగరాజధరుడ శ్రీనారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ ఆదినారాయణ జయనారాయణ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ హరి హరి నారాయణ వెంకటనారాయణ తిరుమల నారాయణ తిరుమల నారాయణ శ్రీ హరి నారాయణ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ లక్ష్మీనారాయణ నారాయణ హరి నారాయణ వెంకటనారాయణ
Dear audience, please join me in knowing more about Diya Balaji. Diya has been pursuing Bharatnatyam for the last decade, initially under Guru Saudamini Rao and subsequently under Srimati Kalpana Balaji. She is also acquiring formal qualifications in fine arts and will appear for her Madhyama Purna exams. Diya has an aptitude and interest in stage management and has a little experience in anchoring for dance programs. She holds diverse interests such as cooking, crochet, and photography. Academically, Diya is pursuing bachelor's in bioengineering at MIT World Peace University, Pune. She is a determined individual who achieves any tasks that she sets her mind to. She hopes to pursue her passion for dance and love for science in the future. Our next performance for the evening is the Kal Bhairav Ashtakam. Lord Shiva has several forms and avatars. Lord Kala Bhairav is also a fearful form of Lord Shiva. This form of Lord Shiva, described by Adi Shankaracharya, is shown to be black with a garland of skulls and snakes, has 3 eyes and holds weapons of destruction in his four hands. Kala Bhairava Ashtakam will be sung in Ragam Pantuvarali and Talam Adi. It will be performed by Isha.
देवराजसेव्यमानपावनाङ्घ्रिपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं देवराजसेव्यमानपावनाङ्घ्रिपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोगिवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्धितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्धितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे मुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं सितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं मुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं सितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिकुणन् मनोप्यगेम किङ्किणीलसतटिं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे धर्मसेतुपालकं त्वधर्ममार्गनाशकं कर्मपाशमोचकं सुशर्मदायकं विभुं धर्मसेतुपालकं त्वधर्ममार्गनाशकं कर्मपाशमोजकं सुशर्मदायकं विभुं स्वर्णवर्णशेषपाशशोभिताङ्गमण्डलं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे रत्नपादुका प्रभाविरामपादयुग्मकं नित्यमाद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतं निरञ्जनं रत्नपादुका प्रभाविरामपादयुग्मकं नित्यमाद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतं निरञ्जनं मृत्युदर्पनाशनं करालनं श्रमोक्षणं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे अट्टहासभिन्नपद्मजाण्डकोशसन्ततिं दृष्टिपातनष्टपावजालमुग्रशासनम् अट्टहासभिन्नपद्मजाण्डकोशसन्ततिं दृष्टिपातनष्टपावजालमुग्रशासनम् अष्टसिद्धिदायकं कपालमालिकाधरं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे भूतसङ्घनायकं विशालकीर्तिदायकं काशीवासलोकपुण्यपापशोधकं विभुं भूतसङ्घनायकं विशालकीर्तिदायकं काशीवासलोकपुण्यपापशोधकं विभुं नीतिमार्गकोविदं पुरातनं जगत्पतिं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे कालभैरवाष्टकं पठन्ति ये मनोहरं ज्ञानमुक्तिसाधनं विचित्रपुण्यवर्धनं शोकमोहदैन्यलोभकोपतापनाशनं प्रयाति कालभैरवाग्री सन्निधिं नरध्रुवम्
The next recital is Vishamakara Kannan. Vishama means full of mischief. That's how the poet describes Kannan or Krishna, the son of Nanda, always pranking at every waking moment. He's like the blue cloud and the one who always resides in our heart despite the pranks. The one who enamors and attracts the gopikas and others with his flute, and the one who insists for the butter. Krishna pranks a young girl and asks her to sing the Mukhari Raga. The little girl, put out of her comfort zone, admits that singing is not for her. An unhappy Krishna then pinches her, which makes the girl cry. This is when Krishna playfully admits that this itself is the Mukhari Raga. In this recital, Krishna's pot of butter is not to be touched or hidden away. If in his love for the butter, he finishes all of it, then no one must complain to his mother. And if he is called a thief, then one must bear his name calling, all their relatives thieves in return. Vishamakara Kannan is written by Uttakadu Venkata Subba Iyer. It is in Ragam, Senjuruti and Talam Adi. It will be performed by Diya.
விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையை பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாட்டம் ஆடி விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையை பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாட்டம் ஆடி விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையை பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாட்டமாடி விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையை பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாட்டமாடி நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நன்ன கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையை பாட்டு பாடி விதம் விதமாட்டமாடி நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் நிலமேகம் போல இருப்பான் பாட்டினாலோ நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான் நிலவேகம் போல இருப்பான் பாட்டினாலோ நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான் கோல புல்லா குழலூதி கள்ளை கள்ளை கள்ளமாடி கோலப்புல்லாங்குழலூதி கோபிகளை கள்ளமாடி கோலப்புல்லாங்குழலூதி கோபிகளை கள்ளமாடி கொஞ்சம் போற வெண்ணை தாடி என்ற கெட்ட ஆட்டமாடும் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் முக்காரி ராகம் பாட சொல்லி வன்ப கேழுப்பான் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் முக்காரி ராகம் பாட சொல்லி வன்ப கேழுப்பான் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்குருகள் கிள்ளி விட்டு அவள் விக்கி விக்கி அழும்போது இதானே முகாரி என்பன் விஷமகார கண்ணன் விஷமகார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமகார கண்ணன் வெண்ணை பானை மூடல் கூடாது இவன் வந்து பிழங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது வெண்ணை பானை மூடல் கூடாது இவன் வந்து விளங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது இவன் நம்ம கிட்டே சொல்லக்கூடாது சொல்லி விட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தங்க பொண்ணாது சொன்னதும் தங்க பொண்ணாது அட்டகாசம் தங்க பொண்ணாது சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சு காணும் சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சுக்கானம் திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டார் சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சுக்கானம் திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டார் இவனை திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டார் உன் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனையும் திருடன் என்பவன் சமகார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத சமகார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையை பாட்டு பாடி திறம்பிதம் ஆட்டம் ஆடி நாழிக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் சமகார கண்ணன் விஷமகார கண்ணன் பொன்னாத விஷமகார கண்ணன் 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 விஷமகார கண்ணன்
We now move on to the last performance of the evening, the Tillana. But before that, let us present Isha and Diya with a certificate of completion of their Arangetral. I'd first like to call upon Isha Patel on stage. Today, they come close to completing what is traditionally known as graduation in dance. It has been a long journey of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. I call upon Srimati Kalpana Balaji to the stage and present to Isha the Arangetral certificate. May I now call upon Diya Balaji on stage. Diya, as I mentioned, was trained in her younger days by Guru Saudamini Rao, followed by Srimati Kalpana Balaji. I would like to invite Guru Saudamini Rao on the stage at this point for the presentation of the certificate to her. This Arangetral is a stepping stone and not winding up. It's not an end, it is the beginning of the performing life of an artist. We will now felicitate members of the orchestra. Srimati Kalpana Balaji was trained under Guru Saudamini Rao. Guru Saudamini Rao was one of the greatest names in her times and was known for her performances internationally. Amongst her many accolades, she holds the pride of being invited by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India, to perform at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We are honored to have Guru Saudamini Rao grace the occasion today. I'd like to ask Srimati Kalpana Balaji and Mrs. Priya Patel to felicitate Guru Saudamini Rao. Today's Arangetral has been a huge team effort by the entire orchestra. Together, they create the magic. Let us meet the wonderful team of renowned artists of today's orchestra. I'd like to start by calling upon Sri Rohan Pillai to the stage. Rohan's melodious voice truly touches the soul. Sri Rohan Pillai has spent many hours for today's rehearsals working on the musical for the show. He's a compassionate person. He's a compassionate person who always puts the dancers at ease during intense rehearsals. He holds a master's degree in electronics and communications and is a technical leader at an IT organization. Sri Rohan Pillai was trained rigorously in Carnatic music by Professor Y. Mathai. He has been pursuing training in learning the Saraswati Veena for several years under Sri Gokul Subramaniam, with whom he shares the stage today. He currently conducts classes for Carnatic music at the Bharat Sangeet Kala Kendra, founded by his revered Guru. May I please request Mr. Balaji Kalyanasundram to come on stage and felicitate Sri Rohan Pillai. Next, we welcome Sri Dattatreya Bhave, who is an expert percussionist. He received elementary education of tabla from his father, Mr. Gandhar Bhave. As early as 1986, he received a scholarship from Goa Kala Academy and earned an opportunity to learn from Pandit Lalji Gokhale under the Gurukul system for 16 years. He has accompanied many famous artists on the tabla, and his excellence in tabla took him overseas for solo performances. He has recently been awarded a national award, the Kala Gaurav Puraskar. He is known for scripting one-of-a-kind study material for visibly challenged students to help them appear for Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya examinations from Prarambhik to Visharad for both theory and practical. This will help visually impaired students pursue the art both nationally and internationally. I request Mr. Balaji Kalyanasundram to felicitate him with a token of our appreciation. I'd now like to invite Sri Sanjay Sasidharan on stage. Did you feel Sri Krishna's presence when you heard Sanjay ji on the flute? One can spend hours just listening to Sanjay ji's melodious flute. Sanjay ji is a disciple of Kalai Mamani Shankaran, trained under Padma Vibhushan VP Dhananjayan and Shanta Dhananjayan. He is a recipient of a scholarship from Government of India for Carnatic flute music. He has been performing and teaching flute for more than 20 years. Sri Sanjay Sasidharan has travelled extensively to many countries in his music career. He imparts training of the flute to interested students and trains them for musical concert. I request Mr. Balaji Kalyanasundram to felicitate Sri Sanjay Sasidharan. We would now like to felicitate Sri Gokul Subramaniam on the Saraswati Veena. Today we got to witness a wonderful Veena accompaniment by the stalwart Sri Gokul Subramaniam, who hails from the lineage of the great saint Muthuswami Dikshitar. For the uninitiated, Muthuswami Dikshitar was one of the trinity of Carnatic music. Till date, his songs are taught and sung by students and maestros of Carnatic music. Gokulji is an accomplished Vainika. He has been teaching the Veena in Pune for many years, and it is encouraging to see the number of students learning this very traditional instrument. He started learning Veena at an early age. He inherited the Gayaki style of playing the Veena, which resembles the style of singing, which is why the Veena almost speaks when Gokulji plays it. He is a chartered accountant by profession and also a professor of finance, mentoring students in several postgraduate management institutes. I request Mr. Tarang Patel to felicitate Sri Gokul Subramaniam. I now call Shreyas Nair, our young vocalist who accompanied Sri Rohan Pillai. They have done duets often in the past, and I strongly recommend you don't miss out if you get the opportunity. Shreyas has learnt Hindustani classical music from Tarangam Institute of Music and Dance under the tutelage of late Srimati Anita De and Srimati Shaberi Ray. He has completed his Visharad in Hindustani classical music. Shreyas has a BCom and is currently pursuing his studies for chartered accountancy. I request Mr. Tarang Patel to felicitate him. We are truly honored to have such great artists today with us. I wish we could have witnessed a solo recital from them today if we had the time. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you. I request the respected members of the orchestra to kindly take their place. Our makeup artist today is Sri Mohan Mudaliar. Mr. and Mrs. Mohan are well known in Pune for their makeup of artists. Sri Mohan Mudaliar has an impressive record of securing a diploma in makeup at the Hollywood Cinema Makeup School in Los Angeles. He has a vast teaching experience at the Film Institute of Pune, where he was also the HOD of Makeup Department. He has spent half a century in a career of makeup of films, television, and stage. Very recently, he was in charge of makeup of over 150 artists for a 4-day Mahanatya held at the ISKCON temple in Pune. I call upon Srimati Priya Patel and Tarang Patel to felicitate them. I now request Mrs. Priya Patel to felicitate Srimati Kalpana Balaji. Srimati Kalpana Balaji was trained under the veteran guru Saudamini Rao for more than 2 decades. She is an experienced performer. She has published a thesis on the contribution of the multilingual Maratha king Shahaji II towards Bharatnatyam dance dramas. As a dedicated and disciplined artist, she expects the same from her students too. I request Mrs. Priya Patel to present Kalpana with a token of her appreciation. There were many people involved in making today's Arangetral happen. I would like to call upon Mr. Tarang Patel to express his gratitude.
नमस्ते, मैं डॉक्टर वसुंधरा सेन कुलकर्णी को बुलाना चाहूँगा, जो आज के शो की अद्भुत सूत्र संचालक रही हैं। हम इन्हें सम्मानित करना चाहते हैं। श्रीमती पटेल प्रिया पटेल को यह सम्मान देने के लिए बुलाना चाहता हूँ। बेहतरीन सूत्र संचालन के लिए धन्यवाद मैम। आज इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करने के लिए कई लोग काम कर रहे हैं। यह कई महीनों तक चला एक बड़ा टीम प्रयास रहा है और प्रत्येक व्यक्ति जिसका मैं उल्लेख कर रहा हूं, आज कार्यक्रम के रूपरेखा में एक कलाकार रहा है। श्री विजय नांदगांवकर, जिन्होंने सुंदर निमंत्रण और अरंगेत्रल प्रमाण पत्र डिज़ाइन किए। आपके कलात्मक और रचनात्मक डिज़ाइन के लिए धन्यवाद श्री नांदगांवकर। निमंत्रण पत्रिका की सुंदर फोटोग्राफी शूट के लिए धन्यवाद श्रीमती जाई जाधव गराड, सिम्बायोसिस विश्व भवन सभागार और सिम्बायोसिस विश्व भवन के लिए श्री अनिल सूर्यवंशी और उनकी पूरी टीम को हमारा हार्दिक धन्यवाद। श्री सुश्रुत जोशी को उत्कृष्ट प्रकाश व्यवस्था के लिए हमारा मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद। श्री सुनील पानसरे को ध्वनि व्यवस्था के लिए और शांति टेलर्स चेन्नई को भरतनाट्यम वेशभूषा के लिए हमारा हार्दिक धन्यवाद। वीडियोग्राफी के लिए श्री महेश गायकवाड़, फोटोग्राफी के लिए श्री चारू किंजवडेकर, मंच पर पुष्प सजावट के लिए श्री प्रकाश माचीकर और सुंदर पुष्प रंगोली के लिए श्रीमती पूनम पाटिल, आप सभी को हमारा धन्यवाद। पटेल और बालाजी परिवारों की ओर से हम डॉक्टर वसुंधरा सेन कुलकर्णी, श्रीमती पूर्वी पुरोहित, श्रीमती प्रीति देसाई, श्रीमती ज्योत्सना नरा, श्रीमती धनलक्ष्मी, ध्रुति, श्रेया, पूजा, नीलू, वल्लरी, मानसी पटेल और कला वंदना टीम के स्वयंसेवकों को के निस्वार्थ कार्य के लिए अपनी हार्दिक कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करना चाहते हैं। प्रिय दर्शकों, नर्तकियों के परिवारों की ओर से मैं ईशा और दिया की नृत्य यात्रा का हिस्सा बनने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद देता हूं। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mr. Patel. We now move on to the finale for tonight's performance with the Tilana. Tilana is a joyous dance with intricate footwork, neck and eye movements, and graceful complex postures typically seen on temple structures. Today's Tilana features an age-old form of dancing on an inverted clay pot and plate. A well-known social reformer and dancer, Sri E. Krishna Iyer, was one of the early revivers of classical dance after it was banned by the British as a part of an effort to stop the Devdasi concept in India. He was known to do performances on the plate and clay pot. Dancing on the clay pot was called the Perani Natya. Let us watch a glimpse of the Perani Natya in today's Tilana, sung in Ragam Paras and Talam Adi.
तनु दन तदिरना रुद्र तानी तोम तदिरना रुद्र तनु दन तदिरना रुद्र तानी तोम तदिरना रुद्र तनु दन तदिरना रुद्र तानी तोम तदिरना Tani Om Dirana Dredanu Dana Dirana Tani Om Dirana Dredanu Dana Dirana Tani Om Dirana Dredanu Dana Dirana Tani Tani ஓம் த தீரன ரிதனோம் தனக திரனா தானி 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 தீரன ரிதனோம் தனக திரனா ஓம் த ரிதனோம் தனக திரனா தானி ஓம் த தீரன 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 ரிதனோம் தனக ஓம் த தீரன ரிதனோம் தனக திரனா தானி 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 ஓம் த தீரன ரிதனோம்
As we reach the end of today's Arangetral, our dancers Isha Patel and Diya Balaji have a few words to say. This will be followed by the Mangalam or the closing ceremony Namaskar. I thank you on behalf of Kalavandana Institute and look forward to seeing you in future dances of the Institute.
So we are all a little out of breath right now. But I hope you all enjoyed today's program. Our Arangetram has been a memorable journey so far. Our entire team has always been there for us and supported us throughout. We would like to share some of our experiences. We remember Gokul sir had once said, "We all are humans, and so it's okay to make mistakes. Even the best artists make mistakes. But how we cover it up is what matters." Sir, these lines have been pinned into our minds. Thank you so much for your inputs. Diya and I struggled a bit with the talam at first, but remembered what Bhaveji had said. You both are doing perfectly fine. Just stick to your talam. Sir, it's definitely a very good input we could ever have. Sanjay sir's enchanting flute brought us to get out the best of our expressions. Thank you so much for always being there. Rohan Anna, thank you for all your efforts to make every song perfect for us. No matter how many times we messed up with our choreographies, but he patiently helped us and corrected us. So thank you so much for that. Also, thank you to Shreyas for lending us your beautiful voice. Now, Guru Kalpana ma'am. Ma'am, it's difficult to frame words, but you have always been through the thicks and thins and supported us. And I'm really grateful for that, both of us. You've been there whenever we needed you the most, and I think I won't be able to speak more than this.
Thank you, Isha. I'd first like to thank Akka. Akka, thank you so much for forcing me to dance when I was younger. You and ma'am have put up through so many of my tantrums. I will always remember you. We are very grateful to both of our families as they have been our backbone through this entire performance. Thank you, Amma, Appa, Tata Pati, and of course, Shreya. Also, thank you to Isha's parents and family. A big thank you to our team of volunteers. Being a volunteer for most programs myself, I know how hard the job is. I'm very grateful to have all of you. Lastly, a big thank you to all our audience. You came all the way here to watch us. Thank you.
ಭವಮಾನ ಸುದುಡು ಬೇಟು ಪದಾರ ವಿಂದములకు ನೀನಾಮ ರೂಪములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం రాజీవ నయన త్యాగరాజాది వినుదమై